So I'm just going to give you a room tour now. We're on the 4th floor, room 402 of the Hyatt place in Krakow. See if there's anybody in.
Hello.
Hello.
Hello. Come in.
There's the other part of Wiley's travel adventures. So we'll start with the main bedroom. So we've got a king size bed, but it looks bigger than ours at home, doesn't it?
It does, doesn't it?
Yeah. And you've got USB cables. So I'm charging my phone up because it was dead. Got a nice sofa, which I think turns into a sofa bed as well. And then we've got two little side tables there. Mr. Wiley keeps getting in my way.
Oh, fridge.
Right. You'd think you would know by now what room tours are, not get in the way. So that's a strange looking wardrobe. It's a see-through one. Never seen one like that before. And the ceiling, it looks like it's like a warehouse, isn't it? It's quite quirky, isn't it?
Concrete.
Yeah, concrete ceiling. So plenty of space for your clothes. And then we've got an ironing board and an iron, which is always handy. So we've got a big TV on the wall. And down here we've got a safe. Little jug, water and coffee, etc. And in here we've got a little fridge with our one bottle of Coke in for now. Got a nice big mirror here. Hello everybody. Hooks for the coats, etc. And this is going to be the bathroom. And it's a slidey door, which gives you the pretense of more room. And there you have the nice bathroom. And we have the standard toilet. And then we have a nice shower as well. Comes with shampoo, etc. And then we have, look at this big mirror here. It's massive. Plenty of towels. So that's the bathroom, and then this is our view. We asked for a park view. We went down that path before. Windows are a bit scary because you're walking right at them. You can see my foot right at the bottom of the window. And that's your view over to one of the parks. The trees are a lot further out than ours back home. And then there's a strange looking mound on top of that hill. I'll zoom in on it. Don't know what it is. That's another hotel, I think, there. So there's the room tour. Hyatt Place, Krakow. And it's only been here for 2 years. So not too bad. And that's the room tour. So we've just come back into the hotel. It's absolutely chucking down and we're soaking. Absolutely soaking. So David's trying to order some drinks at the bar. This is the bar area. I think they do food as well here. The room's not ready until 3 o'clock, which is now 1:45. Yeah, it's a nice little hotel, a bit out the way though.